I am thrilled that I was gifted this everyday pan from Avacraft. I have already put it to the test multiple times and it is impressive. So in this video, I'm going to go over exactly what you get here and why I'm so impressed. Now to start off with, this is a women-founded, women-owned brand based out of Texas. I feel so good about that. And it is 1810 stainless steel. It has these really nice silicone rubbery like handles that feel really good, and these are heat resistant. I haven't had trouble with these getting too hot, but I have found that the metal right here does, so I have to pay a little attention to that. And this pan has an 11-inch diameter at the top with an 8-inch interior diameter, and it's about 3.5 inches tall, so it's a really good size. And I absolutely love the height on this, as it means you can do things like boil rice or cook a casserole in this. But also what I really love is that it reduces the amount of spray when I'm cooking something greasy that goes everywhere. These high walls really make quite a difference for that. And then speaking of the walls and the build, it is all stainless steel, so it is extremely durable. There isn't anything in this that's going to go into your food. It's going to cook cleanly. I will talk about the base in a moment, but I really put it to the test. I definitely burnt some food in it and discolored it, which you can see some slight discoloration from how much I've already used it. But because it's stainless steel, I can use more abrasive cleaners on this without concern, meaning that I can keep it looking really nice and clean forever. It also does have a lifetime guarantee, which is amazing. Now I want to talk about this base, as it does have a little heft because this is a 5-ply base. It has an interior heat retention layer surrounded by aluminum layers, and then it has the exterior on the bottom and the outside of the 1810 stainless steel, which is magnetic. So this can work on an induction stove top, gas, glass, ceramic, whatever cooktop you have. And thanks to that 5-ply heat distribution, it is really even on the cooking. I first tested it just boiling some water, and I loved that I could not see any hot spots, that it boiled evenly around the whole pan, even though my heat is not even because I have a gas stovetop. And then when I cooked with it, I was cooking up some stir-fry chicken and everything crisped evenly. There weren't any cold spots or hot spots, which is exactly what I want to see. It means that my food is going to be cooked more cleanly. I can trust that I'm going to see the exact same cook job across, and it just feels really nice to hold on to. And then on top of that, it comes with a tempered glass lid. It has the same kind of rubbery silicone handle, feels really nice in my hand, and it has the metal rim. So there's no plastic touching your food at all. Everything is very clean. The rim fits beautifully inside the pan, so it's a very clean fit. And I also love how the grommets are in this. It is not welded on the outside, it is going all the way through. So food and other things can collect around this grommet, but with the way it is welded together, it is very clean, and that is what I want to see and what I'm used to in most of the luxury pans that I test. So that feels really nice. I absolutely love how beautiful this looks. I do love that the exterior is mirrored. It's just a really pretty pan that gives me everything I want. If you're looking for a pan you're going to love for a lifetime, that you really can use as your stir fry, your casserole, any type of pan you need, this is it. This is your everyday pan from Avacraft. I hope this video helps.